This is a 2-pack of USB-C to 3.5 millimeter or 1/8 inch audio jacks. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they would cost you about $3.60 with the 2-pack. So this is designed primarily for phones that don't have an audio jack, and basically it's a little USB audio chip that will connect to your headphones. So if you plug it into a computer, it is a KMB2 digital audio generic manufacturer. So it's a USB HID device version 2.01. And my computer recognizes it. It has both an analog output on the KM_B2 digital audio or a digital output SPDIF. They do support microphones, and so if you have a headset that has headphones and microphone, you can also use them to make and receive phone calls. And this guy works exactly as it's supposed to. You plug it in and you get audio out of it. Now I can transfer back to my phone speakers or go back to the wired headphones here. And if you unplug it, it stops playing, but essentially then it goes back to your phone. So if you're playing music, you plug this in, it automatically transfers over to the headphones.